In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a filter in the inbox on Yahoo Mail so you can automatically organize, highlight, or move emails exactly where you want them. If your inbox is constantly filling up with newsletters, notifications, or promotional emails, using filters is one of the easiest ways to keep everything clean and organized. Instead of manually sorting emails every day, Yahoo Mail can do the work for you automatically. I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can create your own filter in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main inbox page where all your emails appear. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation menu with folders like Inbox, Drafts, Sent, and more. To access the filter options, look for the option called More in the sidebar. Click on More to expand additional options available in Yahoo Mail. After that, find and click on Settings. This will open the Yahoo Mail settings panel where you can customize different parts of your email account. Inside the settings area, look for the section called Filters. Filters allow you to automatically manage incoming emails based on certain conditions like sender, subject, or keywords. Click on Filters to open the filter management page. Next, click the Add button to create a new filter. Yahoo Mail will now ask you to enter the details for your filter. Start by giving your filter a name so you can easily recognize what it does later. After naming the filter, you'll need to choose a filter criterion. Click on the drop-down that says Select a filter criterion. From the list of options, choose the condition that best matches what you want to filter. For example, you can filter emails based on the sender, the subject line, or certain words contained in the email. In this example, choose the option called Contains. Once you select Contains, type the keyword or phrase you want Yahoo Mail to look for when new emails arrive. This keyword will determine which emails match the filter. After typing the keyword, confirm the highlighted option that appears in the field. Now you need to decide what Yahoo Mail should do when an email matches this filter. Scroll down to the section that lets you choose where the email should go. Click on Select Existing Folder. A list of your available folders will appear. You can choose any folder you want depending on how you want your inbox organized. For example, if you want these emails removed from your inbox automatically, you can choose the Trash folder. Selecting Trash means emails that match the filter will go directly there instead of staying in your inbox. After selecting the folder you want, review your filter settings one more time to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click Save to activate the filter. From now on, Yahoo Mail will automatically apply this rule to incoming emails that match the condition you created, and that's it. You've successfully created and run a filter in Yahoo Mail to manage emails in your inbox automatically. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy email and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.